In modern aerospace, medical, and precision manufacturing, even the smallest variation can decide whether a part passes or fails. Concentricity, the true center of rotation, is one of the most important measurements for stable, high-quality production. The universal punch. A-10 concentricity gauge is designed to deliver fast, stable, and accurate readings for parts from 3 to 25 millimeters. The standard model offers accuracy better than 4 microns. The Precision Gold model delivers accuracy better than 2 microns. This is the level of reliability needed when tolerances are tight and failure is not an option. Every A-10 is built to order in the United States. Its modular design adapts to your parts, your rollers, and your inspection setup. You can interchange rollers, adjust the carrier, and configure the system to match your exact requirements. For very small shafts, the A-10 supports zero-style rollers. These rollers feature precision grooves that allow you to measure parts down to almost 0 millimeters. In this example, we're inspecting a shaft only 1.66 millimeters in diameter. Place the shaft on the main roller. Lower the top roller. Slide the indicator carrier into position. As the main roller turns, the test indicator shows the part's true concentricity. Rotation is smooth and consistent, whether you use the manual drive or the optional variable speed motor. To check system precision, use a test indicator on the main rollers. This confirms alignment and gives confidence that every reading is stable and repeatable. The A-10 is ideal for measuring concentricity, runout, and rotational alignment for many small components, including aerospace fasteners, medical parts, and miniature shafts. It delivers accuracy you can trust on every inspection. Accurate, repeatable, reliable. The Universal Punch A-10 Concentricity Gauge. Learn more at universalpunch.com.